So here, this is my Twitter account. If people asking question is called how to advertise your mobile apps using video. How to advertise your mobile apps using video. That is called, first of all, I can open my site. Here two advantages. App install will be given by your site along with your things. So coming to this one, you're already be writing for your video and your app link in a previous. So in this link, you can promote along with the video here. Video nothing but they play the video and below app store will be promote. That is called, first open call is analytics. Option call is analytics for your Twitter analytics. In this option call is you can go for sign up Twitter cards. Sign up Twitter cards. Or else we can go option call is Twitter cards. Option call is Twitter card. Don't use any kind of payment methods. Call for payment method. Click for back. In this option call is here tweet option, where in the ads or analytics of the sign up your ads. When go to sign up your ads, they're showing one option is called tweet. When click for tweet, option on your ads time, they're showing for your one option call is select card. Which one? Select card. In the select card, go to option call is card library. This card library, based on the ads campaign, the card library will be enable your Twitter. So once go to card library, let's look the screen. That is only possible by the when you click for Twitter ads, the tweet we can using for select the cards. So in this one, you can select the card library. In the card library, we can using for your website URL, along with we can using for video uploading also. Just loading your page. In this one, select your card. Option call is website card. Option call is website card. In this about your image will be your option. Next one, the option call is video website card. Which one? Video website card. Select it. Select your video. Go to media library. Media library nothing but you can upload video on your media library. So you can go to your Twitter media library. The video upload by your desktop. Which one? They're using by your desktop. So before that, in this one, what options will be there? First, add your website URL and writing for name of card library, headline, select your card library, upload video. Twitter support only for MP4 videos. Twitter support only for MP4 videos. Post it. Video going to upload, and video will be only for 2 minutes 20 seconds. How many? 2 minutes 20 seconds. So upload video. So that is called, you can go to download option. Select option called is video. Just uploading here. Video uploading very important, and email uploading also very important. Why? Because the email uploading and video will be both are will be considered by your option. So video done. Select your video. Is it clear? So in uploading video time, just select video is done. Create. Is it clear? So tweet. Clear the tweet. So how to tweet will be happen? So just this tweet only possible by your Twitter only. This is not showing for Facebook or anywhere. Select it with the special offer. Remove the promote only. This is not I'm promoting for. This is only for posting on the content. Promote only. Here in a tweet, we can option for the tweet, and next will be schedule post. The scheduled post only available by the Twitter cards only. Twitter post we can't available by the Twitter schedule. Now click for tweet. After tweet, you can check your Twitter wall. Click for tweets option. Now you can check. If anyone asking question is called, the post will be along with the video and the tweet post. So coming to this, see this one. The video will be playing automatically. If anybody click this one, they're going to where? Your particular website. Two advantages. Video will be playing. Next will be the website URL working. They coming to website. Two advantages. Video will be playing automatically. There is called one kind of views will be understand the user. Next will be the coming to website video views and the app install. When you click, they're going to Play Store. It will promote by video, app install, and website traffic. This is only for Twitter. That is only possible for Twitter cards.